Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about Zoom integration in Odoo. So after installing our module, let's get into End settings. Under user and companies, let's get into the user. So let's get into the mutual admin where you can see Zoom meeting. So in this you can see an option to add a client ID and secret key. So where we need to add an client ID as well as the secret key. So once we have saved, it will automatically get an redirect URL. And then once we get a redirect URL, you can just click on an authorization. It will lead you to an Zoom page where we need to log in as a user, and we need to give every informations, and you will get this page and we can accept, and it will automatically get you to the Odoo page, and you can see the stages will be changed from draft to and confirmed. Okay, so once everything is done, let's get into an calendar. So over here in the calendar, let's click on and meet. So let's add a title. It will be for an on-site. Okay, now let's save. So over here, let's get into the one which we have created. Now in this, you can see the duration that we have added. It will be, let's add it to hours. And over here on the top, you can see an option to create a Zoom meeting. So in this, let's create a Zoom meeting. So once we have created a Zoom meeting, it will automatically fetch a meeting ID as well as the code as well as the meeting link. Okay. And in this, we can add a list of attendees. So in this, let me select an attendees over here. So in this, we can select and multiple attendees. So let's save this one. So once we have updated something, we need to click on and update Zoom meeting to update all the records. So here in this, you can see the Zoom meeting details has been updated. Okay, now in this, you can see an option where you can see all the invites, and in this you can see an option to add an password. So let me add a password over here. So we have added the password. So we need to save this one and we need to update it again as we have added the password now. Okay, now we have updated. You can see a Zoom meeting details has been updated, and also you can delete the meeting whenever you need, and we can send it on the mail as well. So it will automatically fetch all the informations like recipients, and in this you can see a date and time, join link, meeting code, password, duration, everything can be seen here, and we can send a meeting link with them as well. Okay, it will be send a meeting link separately for each and every employees. And in this, you can see another option like Zoom Meet. So if you enable this option, you can see an Zoom Meet configuration where we can add a meeting type. Okay, and you can add whether other attendees can be joined before the host join. Okay, and we can add and which time they can join, and in this you can add a calendar. Okay, in which calendar it will be, and also the approval type. Okay, and in this we can add an audio. Okay, in which type of audio it will take, and in this we can add an automatically recording. Okay, whether it is record when needs to be recorded or not, and in this you can add an email notification, host video, and in this participant video is must. So if you need to enable, we can enable this option, and you can add a waiting room watermark if needed, and you can add a multiple devices, and mute upon entries for all the user can also be enabled. So these are the options which we have. We can enable these options. Okay, and we need to update the Zoom meeting over here by using this update option. Now let's join the meeting. So for that, let me copy this and open in another tab. We open, and over here let's launch the meeting, and in this you can see it join from your browser. Let me join the Zoom meeting over here. So it will be joining for a meeting, but there is no host. Now let's enable a microphone as well as the camera. Now in this we need to add a meeting code over here. So we have added the meeting code. Now we can add a name. Okay, so we have added a name as well as the meeting code. Now let's join from here. So it will be waiting for the host. Now let's log in as a host. So in this page where you can see an option to join the meet, let's join the meet over here, and let's join it from the browser. So you can see that this will be the host, and this host will joining the meeting right now. So now you can see that you are the host now. Now we have joined the meet, so you can see the meet over here. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.